Welcome to Speciation 101. My name is Savannah and I will be guiding you through a series of videos aimed at increasing your understanding of speciation. Speciation is one of many evolutionary processes in which new species on our planet evolve. Our instructional video will hopefully increase your understanding on how speciation occurs, along with addressing any misconceptions about the process. The term speciation was first coined by biologist Orator F. Cook in the early 1900s as a method to describe how new species arise. Speciation was introduced when the concept of cladogenesis arose, suggesting that species split into smaller branches on the evolutionary tree to produce new species. Previously, it was thought that anagenesis was the only way species evolved, anagenesis being the concept that species evolve as a whole into another new species. Speciation is a process that has been observed in both the laboratory and in nature. It is a progression that initiates with populations of a sexually reproducing species being reproductively isolated from one another. From here, one population experiences a genealogical divergence over time, causing them to evolve into what can now be considered a new, different species compared to the original population. The concept of speciation suggests that a species has diverged into two or more descendant species through one of four mechanisms: allopatric, peripatric, parapatric, or sympatric speciation. The four mechanisms of speciation do not occur in the same proportions, nor do they cause species to evolve at the same rate. These mechanisms will be explained in depth in a later segment. The two possible results of speciation include new species and hybrid species. It is also important to recognize that the length of the divergence plays an important role in how much one species differs from another. For example, some species will remain closely enough related that they are still able to reproduce with each other, but their offspring are sterile due to genetic changes caused by their speciation. Speciation is also responsible for what may seem like sudden changes in a species when studying fossil records, when really a new species has evolved. Please click on the on-screen link to continue to our next video, which will define some important terms to help you on your exciting journey to an understanding speciation.